Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change round length on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the gameplay section on the right side of your screen. Under this section, you have the round length option. You can choose to set the length of rounds to 1, 2 or 3 minutes. To adjust, simply drag the slider on the round length option to your desired length of game rounds. After adjusting the slider to your preferred length of game rounds, the changes are automatically saved. And this is how you can change round length on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.